When you've been gaming for a couple hours, do your wrists start to ache? We've all been there. A handheld is only as good as it feels in your hands. So we engineered the ROG Xbox Ally for gamers who demand more. Ergonomic starts with the internal design. All components are placed symmetrically, with heavy parts like the battery positioned lower in the device. This gives you a natural center of gravity that feels right the moment you pick it up. By combining ROG's years of handheld design with the expertise of Xbox, we've created a handheld that is more rock-solid and comfortable than ever before. The grip's curves are designed for a natural finger position. The inward-angled grips match your natural body posture, guiding your arms into a relaxed position while keeping the device steady. Evenly distributes pressure and places your index fingers perfectly on the triggers. Even the display is tilted slightly upward, matching your natural line of sight for longer, easier play without extra wrist or neck strain. Every detail is made for gamers.